Here's a 2014 Cadillac CTS sedan. One look at this masterpiece sets the expectations high. One drive in this CTS and expectations are exceeded. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, V6 engine, magnetic fluid filled shocks, streaming audio, heated steering wheel, sport suspension, automated parking sensors, and premium heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Consumer Guide remarks, the cabin is impressively hushed overall. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us today at 813-565-0102.